na direct something for TDJ. Also very, very fun. It's mixed emotions kasi minsan natatawa ka during dates.
Iba po talaga sila if you compare them, hosting po sa Ifulakan here in Rockland. Kasi very serious po sila.
May haramdam ko na siya ng parehas pa rin. Kasi kung bakit gusto rin tulog, sa akin hindi ka naman makakalabas. Mga nakasikip na pintuan, ganyan. Saan nga ba matatagpuan ang bagong pagkakataon? Lahat ng tao nagkakaroon ng second chance. It's just a matter of how you take that second chance as a motivation to better your life after that dark past.
Smells like water. See.
With this season, it's all about, forgiveness. It's all about finding yourself.